Friends out there, you're welcome again. This is your friend, Nurse Volusho. You're welcome. We want to talk about staying hydrated. And I want you to know that staying hydrated is very, very essential for to maintain our physical health, our cognitive function, and of course, overall well-being. And there are a whole lot of tips that we can do, that we can use to do this. Number one tip is you have to drink plenty of water. The water has no substitute, right? So you should aim for between 8 to 10 cups of water per day, and of course, you can adjust the intake based on climate and activity level. And of course, individual needs. Somebody can have needs for more than that, more than 8 to 10 cups of water a day. That does not mean you should take it. There is no rule that is static about your water intake. Then, of course, we want to, there are some hydrating beverages that we can use. Number one, we have the herbal teas. Example, the peppermint tea. It is very good for hydration. We have some low sugar sport drink like coconut water. It is very good, perfect. One of the fruit, the drinks that we can use to get hydrated. Then we have fresh vegetable juice like your cucumber. You can juice it. You can juice your carrot. The juice, we work as hydrating, we perform hydrating functions. Then there are some milk and other low sugar juices that we can use. So we have a lot of things that we can use under the beverage drinks. Then of course, what are the water sources? The food sources rather. Number one, the food sources, we have water-rich fruits, like I said the other time, watermelon. Then we have hydrating vegetables like cucumber, celery. Then of course we have broth. There are some broth-based soup. They are so good in hydrating us. Then what are the tips? Number one, you have to drink water regularly throughout the day. Don't wait until you are thirsty before you drink water. You must monitor your urine color. If your urine color is pale, it means is pale yellow in color. It means you are well hydrated. But if it is dark yellow, it means you are dehydrated. You are not getting, the kidneys and all the body system are not getting enough water. You have to avoid sugary and caffeinated food. Some of us can drink caffeine in the morning, drink in the night. You should avoid that because it's going to fill you as if it's water, but it's not going to rehydrate you. Rather, it's going to cause more harm. Then eat hydrating food. Carry a refillable water bottle. Like me, myself, I have a bottle that is graduated that that will make me to know, have I been able to take the normal dose of this water that I need every day, right? And there are some signs. What are some of the signs of dehydration? If you start feeling tired some of the times, you have headache, you have dry mouth, dizziness, dark urine. It is one of some of the pointers that you are getting dehydrated. Then what are the special consideration? Number one, for athletes or the athletic people, you must drink between 16 to 20 ounces of water 1 to 2 hours prior to your exercise. It maintains like it's a template before you go all out there. Then the elderly, they have to drink water regularly to prevent dehydration. They are growing old, and some of the hormones have stopped functioning, some are getting depleted. You have to drink. Then if you are a pregnant or breastfeeding woman, you need plenty of water. Don't joke with it because now you are drinking for 2, you are eating for 2. You have to increase your water intake. Then depending on the climate around us, you have to adjust your water intake based on temperature and humidity. And I bet you will enjoy yourself. And I want to say finally, there are some apps on Play Store that you can, like water, like HydroCoach. That's what I use. I use HydroCoach, the waterlogged, Plant Nanny, and all that. So those are some of the apps we can use. Then of course you got to set your phone reminders to drink water. Set your phone reminders to drink water. You can place a sticky note near your workspace or your room or the sitting room or something that will be like a reminder. Make hydration a habit. Stay healthy, stay hydrated. Remember, I love you. Do have a nice day. Bye bye.